Hi guys, Joe Luca here with another home buyer tip. Listen closely. Use a buyer's agent. It's extremely important. You need someone who represents you as a buyer and not the seller. This is beneficial during the negotiation process, especially. If you're working with a buyer's agent, he or she is required not to tell the seller of your top choice. In addition, he or she is also focused on getting you the lowest asking price and the most value for your money. It's important that you choose an experienced agent who is there for you and has a fiduciary obligation to you as buyer. Your agent should be actively finding you potential homes, keeping you informed of the entire process, and negotiating furiously on your behalf, and also answering all of your questions with competence and speed. You shouldn't have to wait days for a question to be answered. Also, when you use a buyer's agent, you will see more properties. Not only are they plugged into the multiple listing service, but they are also actively finding homes for people that are not on MLS, like for sale by owners, or homes that sellers are even thinking about listing that aren't on the market yet. So look for a buyer's agent, someone who's full time, full service, and experienced. If you have any questions, comment, DM below, or call 401 409 5030. Thanks. Take care. Bye bye.